Hey everyone, welcome back to Baking Soda Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a capsicum fried rice. Before that, please subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen if you haven't already for interesting recipes. Give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started with today's video. Here are the ingredients required for the fried rice and the seasoning. Alright, first up we're going to need 1 onion, half red capsicum, half yellow capsicum, 1.5 tablespoon of chana dal, a pinch of asafoetida also known as hing, 5 dried red chili, 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, and 1.5 tablespoon of urad dal. Now let's get cooking. In a pan over medium heat, let's first add 1 teaspoon of oil to make our seasoning. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of chana dal and 1.5 tablespoon of urad dal and just saute that for a while until it turns aromatic. Alright, next up we're going to add our pinch of asafoetida, our 5 dried chili, and we're not going to add our coconut now because you shouldn't fry coconut for very long, so we'll add that last after we're done frying. So at this point now I'll add the 1 tablespoon of grated coconut and just saute a little bit and it should be ready. Okay, our seasoning is now ready. I'm going to transfer it to a plate and cool it down. Okay, once the mixture is cooled, add it to a blender and make it into a fine powder. Now that's a super fine powder. Make sure there are not lumps. There isn't any lumps. And then in the same pan, I'm going to add 5 teaspoons of oil, and now we're going to start making our fried rice. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of urad dal, and wait until it splatters. As you can see, the mustard seeds are now popping. We're going to add our 1 onion. You don't have to finely chop it, just barely sliced will be fine. Saute it until it turns translucent. It's a sign that the onion is cooked. Okay, now the onion is perfectly cooked. I'm going to add half a red capsicum and half yellow capsicum. You can just choose to use 1 capsicum here, any color. I'm just adding half of each to create more color here. Add salt to your preference. Mix it in well, and then we're going to cook our capsicum. Alright, we're going to cover and simmer this for 6 minutes or so until your capsicum is cooked all the way. While that is cooking, I have taken 1.5 cups of cooked basmati rice. Okay, our capsicum is now well cooked. Let's move on to the next step. We're going to add our seasoning powder, our spice blend that we ground earlier. And I'm just going to rinse the blender out with water so that all the powder gets out. And give it a good mix now. And then we're going to cover and simmer this for about 2 to 3 minutes until the seasoning cooks and it blends with the capsicum. Alright, now it's about 2 to 3 minutes. Everything is ready. We're going to add our cooked basmati rice now. As I mentioned earlier, I've taken 1.5 cups of cooked rice. okay. Now it's going to be a little bit difficult to mix it in. Mix it in slowly. Make sure that all the rice is coated in the seasoning. As you can see, my rice has changed color. This means that it's coated really well and it's now ready. Our capsicum rice looks delicious. I hope you enjoy it. It's really simple and super easy to make. That looks delicious, and by now your kitchen should be smelling awesome. So this seasoning is actually super delicious. So try it out for yourself. I'm sure you'll like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.